Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing Steam Link Error 451, a comprehensive guide. Error 451, unavailable for legal reasons, on Steam Link usually indicates that the content you're trying to access, typically a game, is blocked or restricted in your geographical region, on your network, or even due to licensing issues. It's a less common error than some others, but it can be frustrating because the cause isn't always immediately obvious. This tutorial will guide you through various methods to troubleshoot and potentially resolve Steam Link Error 451. We'll cover steps ranging from simple checks to more advanced network configurations. Note that there isn't one guaranteed fix, as the root cause varies. You may need to try a combination of these methods. Understanding the error. Before diving into solutions, let's understand the root causes. Geographical restrictions. Region locking. Steam and game publishers often impose regional locks due to distribution agreements, pricing policies, or local laws. The game might be available in other regions but blocked in yours. Network restrictions, firewalls, proxies, VPNs. Your local network, home, work, or school, might have firewalls or proxy servers that block Steam's access to certain content or IP addresses. VPNs, while often used to bypass restrictions, can sometimes cause conflicts, especially if misconfigured or using servers in restricted regions. Content filtering. ISPs or network administrators may implement content filtering, blocking access to certain types of content deemed inappropriate or bandwidth intensive. Licensing issues. The game you're trying to stream might have temporary licensing issues, causing it to become unavailable for streaming or download, even if you own it. Steam account settings. Region settings within your Steam account might be incorrect or inconsistent. Steam client bugs. Occasionally, bugs within the Steam client itself can trigger this error. 2. Initial troubleshooting steps, the obvious, but necessary. 1. Restart everything. This is the first step for almost any tech problem. Restart your Steam Link device. Power cycle it. Unplug it from the power outlet for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Restart your host PC. The PC running Steam that you're streaming from. Restart your network router/modem. Again, power cycle these devices for at least 30 seconds. This refreshes the network connection and can resolve temporary connectivity issues. 2. Verify Steam is running on the host PC. Ensure Steam is actively running on your PC and you are logged into your Steam account. The game you want to stream should be fully installed and up to date on this PC. 3. Check network connectivity. Ping test. Open a command prompt, Windows, or terminal, Mac OS/Linux, on your host PC and ping a reliable website, example ping google.com. If you get replies with reasonable latency, your internet connection is likely working. Steam server status. Go to a site like downdetector.com, https://downdetector.com, and search for Steam. Check if there are any reported outages. If Steam servers are down, the issue isn't on your end. Ensure both devices are on the same network. Confirm that your Steam Link and your host PC are connected to the same local network, example the same Wi-Fi network or both wired to the same router. If they are on different networks, streaming will not work. 4. Update Steam client. Make sure you are running the latest version of the Steam client on your host PC. Go to Steam, check for Steam client updates. 5. Update Steam Link firmware. Ensure your Steam Link device has the latest firmware. Go to Settings, System, Update System. 6. Repair Steam Link *. Sometimes, the pairing between your Steam Link and host PC can become corrupted. Unpair and repair them. *. On the Steam Link, go to Settings, System, Pair Steam Host. * Follow the on-screen instructions to repair with your host PC. 7. Check your Steam download region. * Steam uses download regions to optimize content delivery. An incorrect region can sometimes cause issues. * On your host PC, open Steam Settings Downloads. * Under Download Region, select a region that is geographically close to you. Restart Steam after changing the region. 3. Investigating network-related issues. 1. Firewall configuration. * The most common culprit. Your firewall might be blocking Steam Link's access to the host PC. * Windows Firewall. * Open Windows Defender Firewall, search for Firewall in the Windows search bar. * Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. * Click Change Settings, you might need administrator privileges. * Make sure that Steam and Steam Client Bootstrapper are checked, both for private and public networks. If they're not in the list, click Allow another app and manually browse to the steam.exe and steamwebhelper.exe files, usually located in C/program files, x86, \steam. Add those executables and ensure they are checked in the firewall. * Third-party firewalls, example McAfee, Norton, Kaspersky. If you're using a third-party firewall, you'll need to consult its documentation for instructions on how to add exceptions for Steam and Steam Client Bootstrapper. The general principle is the same: allow these applications full access to your network. You might even temporarily disable the firewall for testing purposes to see if that's the source of the problem. Remember to re-enable it afterward. * Router firewall. * Less common, but sometimes routers have built-in firewalls that can interfere. Check your router's settings, usually accessible via a web browser by typing your router's IP address, often 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, into the address bar. Look for firewall settings and consider temporarily disabling the firewall, again, for testing only. Some routers also have application layer gateway, ALG, settings. Disabling Steam's ALG might help. Look for a Steam-related ALG entry. Consult your router's manual for specific instructions. 2. Proxy server settings. * If you're using a proxy server, it might be interfering with Steam's connection. * Disable proxy settings. * Windows. * Go to Settings, Network and Internet Proxy. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings is enabled and that Use a Proxy Server is turned off. Steam. Steam has its own proxy settings. Open Steam Settings web browser. Under Proxy Settings, make sure no proxy is selected. Browser specific proxy. Some browsers override system settings. Reset the proxy settings for the browser. 3. VPN conflicts. While VPNs can be useful for bypassing geographical restrictions, they can also cause conflicts with Steam Link. Disable VPN. Try disabling your VPN entirely and see if Steam Link works. Change VPN server location. If you must use a VPN, try connecting to a server in a different location, preferably one that is geographically close to you. Avoid servers in regions known to have restrictions. VPN split tunneling. Some VPNs offer a feature called split tunneling, which allows you to exclude certain applications, like Steam, from using the VPN connection. This can allow Steam to connect directly while other traffic is routed through the VPN. Refer to your VPN's documentation for how to configure split tunneling. For DNS server issues *, an incorrect or unreliable DNS server can prevent Steam from resolving domain names correctly. Change DNS servers * try using Google's public DNS servers, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare's DNS servers, 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Windows go to Settings Network and Internet Wi-Fi, or Ethernet if you're wired, change adapter options. Right-click on your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the preferred and alternate DNS server addresses. Repeat for IPv6 if you're using it. *router * you can also change the DNS servers in your router's settings. This will apply the DNS settings to all devices on your network. Consult your router's manual for instructions. 5. Port forwarding, generally not required, but potentially helpful in rare cases. While Steam Link usually works without port forwarding, in some unusual network configurations, it might be necessary. Steam Link ports Steam Link uses the following ports. TCP *27015 to 27030, 27036 to 27037. UDP *4379, 4380, 27000 to 27031, 27036. How to forward ports access your router's settings, usually via a web browser. Find the port forwarding or NAT forwarding section. Create rules to forward the listed TCP and UDP ports to the internal IP address of your host PC. Consult your router's manual for specific instructions. 4. Investigating game-specific and account-related issues. 1. Game availability in your region *. Steam Store * go to the Steam Store page for the game on your host PC. Look for any notices or warnings about regional restrictions. Sometimes, the game page will explicitly state if it's unavailable in your region. SteamDB * use SteamDB, steamdb.info, https://steamdb.info, to check the game's availability in different regions. Search for the game, and look for the Regions tab. This will show you which countries the game is available in. 2. Steam account region *. Steam account details * on your host PC, open Steam account details. Country * make sure the country listed in your Steam account details is correct. If it's incorrect, you may need to contact Steam support to change it. This can be a complex process. 3. Family sharing issues * if you're using Steam Family Sharing, the game's owner's account may have restrictions that are preventing you from streaming it. Verify sharing settings * on the game owner's account, go to Steam Settings Family. Make sure that family sharing is enabled and that your account is authorized to access their library. Game-specific restrictions * some games may have specific restrictions that prevent them from being shared through family sharing. 4. Game file integrity * corrupted game files can sometimes cause streaming issues. Verify game files * on your host PC, right-click on the game in your Steam library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify integrity of game files. Steam will check for and repair any corrupted files. 5. Temporary Steam issues * sometimes the error is simply due to a temporary glitch on Steam's end. Wait and try again * wait for a few hours or a day and try streaming the game again. The issue might resolve itself. via advanced troubleshooting and workarounds. 1. Using a different streaming protocol, Moonlight/Sunshine. If you're still having trouble with Steam Link, consider using a third-party streaming solution like Moonlight, client, and Sunshine, server. These are open-source alternatives that sometimes offer better performance and compatibility. *Sunshine, server. Install Sunshine on your host PC. Sunshine is an open-source, feature-rich game streaming server for computers with modern NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPUs. It's similar to NVIDIA GameStream but much more configurable. You will need to download and install Sunshine on your host computer you are streaming from. Configuration may require port forwarding, same port Steam Link uses, and a configuration. *Moonlight, client. Install Moonlight on your Steam Link device, if possible. If it's a Steam Link box, you'll need to sideload it, which requires some technical expertise. Moonlight is a client that can connect to Sunshine and stream games. Moonlight can be installed on many platforms and Steam Link. 2. Manually adding games to Steam. Sometimes, adding a non-Steam game to your Steam library can allow you to stream it through Steam Link. Add a non-Steam game on your host PC. Open Steam Games. Add a non-Steam game to my library. Browse to the game's executable file and add it. 3. Adjusting streaming settings. Lower streaming quality. On the Steam Link, go to Settings, Streaming Advanced. Try lowering the streaming quality, example reduce the bandwidth limit, use a lower resolution, disable hardware encoding, to see if that helps. This can reduce the strain on your network and your host PC. 4. Investigating Steam Link logs. If you are comfortable with delving into log files, you can sometimes find clues about the cause of the error in Steam Link's logs. The location of these logs can vary depending on the device. Steam Link box. Typically, you need to enable developer mode on the Steam Link box and access it via SSH to retrieve the logs. This is an advanced procedure. Steam client logs. The Steam client on the host can be helpful in understanding a connection/streaming issue. 6. Code example, conceptual, mostly relevant to custom streaming solutions. While a direct code fix for Steam Link error 451 is unlikely, especially for end users, understanding how these errors are generated at a lower level can be helpful if you're developing a custom streaming solution or a client that interacts with Steam's APIs. Explanation. This Python code is a very basic illustration. It doesn't actually access Steam's APIs, which are mostly undocumented for this kind of purpose. It simulates checking a hypothetical database of game availability in different regions. The check_game_availability function takes the game's app ID and the user's country code as input. It returns true if the game is available in that region, and false if it's not, simulating error 451. In a real-world application, you would need to use Steam's official APIs, if available, or scrape data from the Steam store to get this information dynamically. Scraping is generally discouraged by Steam and may violate their terms of service. Important considerations for custom streaming solutions. Steam APIs. Research and utilize Steam's APIs, if publicly available, for authentication, game information, and streaming functionality. Region detection. Implement a reliable method for detecting the user's geographical region, IP address-based or user-provided. Error handling. Provide informative error messages to the user, including potential causes and solutions. Example: this game is not available in your region, check your VPN settings, firewall may be blocking the connection. Legal compliance. Ensure that your streaming solution complies with all applicable laws and regulations, including copyright laws and regional restrictions. Respect Steam's terms of service. Security. Implement robust security measures to protect user accounts and prevent unauthorized access. 7. When to contact Steam support. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and are still encountering error 451, it might be necessary to contact Steam support. Unclear cause. If you can't determine the cause of the error, even after thorough investigation. Account related issues. If you suspect there's a problem with your Steam account, such as incorrect region settings. Game specific issues. If the error only occurs with a specific game, and you've verified that the game is available in your region. Steam client bugs. If you suspect there's a bug in the Steam client that's causing the error. To contact Steam support. 1. Go to help.steampowered.com, https://help.steampowered.com. 2. Log into your Steam account. 3. Select the game or issue you're having problems with. 4. Submit a support ticket describing the problem in detail, including all the troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Conclusion. Troubleshooting Steam link error 451 can be a process of elimination. Start with the simplest solutions and gradually move to more advanced techniques. By systematically investigating the potential causes, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue, allowing you to enjoy seamless game streaming. Remember to thoroughly document the steps you've taken and the results, as this information can be helpful if you need to seek assistance from Steam support. Good luck.